Well, I went to get the early paper. I get so excited when Wednesday's coming because for years and years, as many of you guys know, I've always been able to get the early paper. So today's Wednesday, and I went and I got it. And I always ruffle through to see if we're going to get any coupons. So I was kind of happy to know that we're going to get we're going to get 2 coupon inserts. You can count this. I mean, this is so thin. Now, a lot of you guys, as you can see from this, we're not here in Pittsburgh, we're not getting any of the gain coupons. So in your area, you probably will. Here, we have to go online and print them. I don't go online and print them. I just don't buy the product. So when I went to pick up the early paper, I also dropped by Aldi because I love Aldi's sale that they have every week on their fruits and vegetables. I mean, I know that they don't take coupons, but they have the fruits and vegetables so reasonable. I just can never pass them up. So there were some other things over there that I was interested in. I got a soap dish with a soap pump attached because, you know, when I do the deal on Palmolive, it's great for your hands and washing your hands. They have antibacterial soap. I just fill that up. It saves you money over the other little bottles of soap. So that little item was really great for that. And then we do a lot of the juices, infused juices, and they had those infusers over there. So I was really excited. Everything was a great price. So, I mean, it's a money-saving store. So I really enjoy going over to Aldi. And it was just a weird kind of paper this week. Because we did not get the P&G Saver. Okay, we didn't get the P&G Saver last Sunday, so I really didn't count this in for you guys because it was in our paper. I think they forgot to put it in last Sunday. They probably had a whole bunch of complaints and everything like that. So we have the P&G Saver this Sunday. Ooh, weird. But I want to tell you guys, and many of you guys know this because you already have the P&G Saver. CVS has been clearancing out Febreze. So the Febreze coupon that's in here will make it very, very nice, you know, with regards to the Febreze. So you might want to check this coupon with the deal over there at CVS on the clearance. I want to also hip you guys to Downy. Many of you guys know that Downy is on clearance at CVS, and we don't get the Downy coupon here. So they want us to go online and print that. I don't print coupons, like I said, online. I will not do it because it's a waste of my time. You got to use them in 24 hours. You know, it's like 1 or 2 per printer, and ink is very expensive. So I just don't buy the product. There's so many other products to pick from that I don't even feel it, for real. But to those that have the Downy coupon, you guys know that CVS is clearancing out that purple bottle of Downy. So that will be nice if you have that coupon. It's $2 off. Right now it's showing like $5 and some cent. I would hold and wait a little bit till it gets to hopefully around, 50 to 75% off, so that you can do well with that $2 off coupon. It'll never make it to 90%. You guys know that because people will go in there and they will get them, they will see them. So forget that. But 75% off with the coupon is very good. There's an awesome deal in the Smart Source because there's a fantastic sale at Dollar General. Remember last week that crazy deal that was on the Colgate items? People were getting them for 44 cents. I was like, that is so wild. Well, they're doing the deal again. Now, I don't know if we'll be able to get these products for 44 cents, but you should be able to get the Colgate toothpaste, 4 of them, for $1 plus tax. That's 25 cents a tube. They're kind of doing the same thing. These at Dollar General, you guys know they sell for $3 each. Okay, so the deal is you pick up 4 tubes. All right, that's $12 total. Because of the $3 instant savings, that's going to knock off 3. Okay, but the beautiful thing is we have coupons this week that we didn't have last week. So it's so exciting to see how this thing is going to roll out. You just never know with Dollar General. They're always having these glitches and all this type of stuff. So we have $2 off coupons on Colgate. So that's a game changer. So that's why I said you'll get $12 worth. You pick up 4 tubes. That's $12, and then they'll knock off the 3, and then you're going to knock off $8. So that's $11 in savings. So you'll pay $1 plus any tax. Here in Pittsburgh, I'll pay 7 cents tax. But I mean, that's incredible. You know, around 20 some cent for a tube of toothpaste. My daughter loves Optic White, so that's a real giveaway for that toothpaste. So I just want to let you guys know. We're also going to get more CoverGirl coupons. They've been blowing the CoverGirl out, and I love it because, you know, when you use these over to CVS, oftentimes it helps you build your beauty bucks, and when you get all those beauty bucks, that's free money to shop with in the store. And then when you roll those beauty bucks and your coupons, and then any coupons that come out of the red box machine, all of those stacked together, you can literally get out of that store with a whole bunch of stuff for free. So I love that. So that's what you need to look for in this coming Sunday's paper. So we have Biore coupons. You know, a lot of people think that when you're couponing that you get the same coupons every single week. Many of you seasoned couponers know that that is not the truth. You know, a lot of coupons come out once a year, twice a year. Biore comes out once a year. Yeah, and you know, it's crazy, but they do. So, and this is the cleaner that I use every day. So what I do when there's a coupon out and there's a sale, I just kind of load up, because I generally know that a bottle of the charcoal wash usually lasts me 30 days. So then I know how many that I need. You know, I need about 12 of them for the year. So that's how I do with the Biore. So there's a lot of other nice coupons in here. And also watch for Ibotta on the Colgate. So, you know, you go over to Dollar General and always check your Ibotta. Maybe there'll be an Ibotta rebate on the Colgate, because there has been. So I'm not sure what's going to pop off this coming Sunday, but always check your apps, because, you know, if you can get extra back, it's always great to get extra. And so in addition to the Biore and the Colgate coupons, we're going to have $1 off of Oxy. Now, this is like new kind of Oxy. It says OxyClean. But then again, when it says OxyClean, because I was concerned, is this going to cover the Oxy that's at CVS that they're clearancing out? Because you guys know that right now, Oxy is 50% off at CVS. So next week it might go to 75% off. And if that's the case, then that's a great coupon.